In this lecture, we are going to optimize HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using a new plugin apart from W3 Total Cache. So let's come to plugins and click Add New. Search for Auto Optimize. You need to be aware of the spelling. There is no space between auto and optimize, and also there is only one appearance of the letter O. Auto optimize, or we can call it as auto optimize. Okay, you need to install this plugin by Frank. Let's install now and click activate once installed. To configure this auto optimize plugin, you can either click on this settings under plugins page or go to settings and then click auto optimize. First, enable HTML options, JavaScript options, and CSS options. Then click Save Changes. Now, to configure the advanced options, you need to click on this Show Advanced Settings button. Now, enable Add Try-Catch Wrapping and click Save Changes and Empty Cache. From now on, while clearing the caches, you can go to Performance, then click Purge All Caches to clear W3 Total Cache plugins cache. Not only that, you also need to come to Auto Optimize and click Delete Cache. Only after clearing both these caches, your website is free from all the cached files. Now let's refresh our website and check whether this minification works correctly. Let's scroll down. The images are loading correctly, so the JavaScript is working. Also, the styling option hasn't got any error, or in other words, the styling is working correctly. But you could notice that the performance has got a further hit from 94 to 92. But let's check the page loading time. So this is the loading time that we have got after configuring Speed Booster pack. Now let's run the test again. So with this configuration, we could save further 200 milliseconds in page load time compared to the Speed Booster pack configuration. But still, the page speed score has got reduced from 99 to 92 for desktop and 85 for mobile. But still, we have got a green tick for both of them, and the real-time page load time has got reduced, which matters at the end of the day. So even in this page speed technique 1, you have got two different types of configurations as of now. That is, either to configure Speed Booster pack completely, that is, enable all the options under general options except this lazy load, because we have got A3 lazy load plugin for that. And also you need to enable load CSS asynchronously along with these two options. You can use this configuration. This is page speed technique 1A, we can call it like that. Or you can check only these 6 options and then install W3 Total Cache to enable browser cache and page cache. But we are going to use Auto Optimize for minification. We can call this configuration as page speed technique 1B, because this technique 1B gives better or improved page load time but a bit less page speed insight score compared to the page speed technique 1A. But still, we are not going to stop here. We have got a few issues, like to eliminate render blocking of JavaScript and CSS. Once we correct this issue, then our page speed insight score will improve further. Not only that, our page load time will reduce further. So let's see how to eliminate render blocking of CSS and JavaScript in the next lecture.